the Bokora, and on the southern side, my brothers who are the Kalenjins, the Sebei. My 5-year term, they know what I've done to them. I made sure they stay together with their brothers, the Sebei, the Karamojans of the Pian, and the Matheniko. So the peace that we have in Karamoja, that we have with our neighbors, that's my role I played as a member of parliament. So I still need, in Karamoja, in Amudat, we are cattle keepers. So when there is no peace, these cows will not sustain. Because in my area, it's a bit arid, dry land. So I have to make sure that during dry season, where will these people get water? Where will they get grass? So the services that I've done to my community, the secondary schools that I've made, that have been built in Amudat, this through me, my lobbying to my own government. That's why I stand firm to support the NRM government, because what they have done to Amudat district is what will make me come back in the 12th parliament. The services have done in Amudat, the roads, the schools, the health centers, and education. I have made sure I have to target some students to make sure they go to school, they go to colleges. I know through that my community will bring me back to parliament.
Wowe nangu okoyo kubonabona n'abapangisa Woolly Properties Management and Real Estate banonga bakugu mu kusoloza amayumba gwakoyo kwegoba n'abapangisa batuukirire bakuyambe mu ngeri y'emu bano bakugu mu kugula n'okutunda amataka ate bw'oba oyagala kulaakulanya ttaka lyo kyangu nnyo eri aba Woolly Properties Management and Real Estate bakugoba ku ttaka lyo oba oyagala kyapa Woolly byonna babikolako gwabeetaaze basangibwa Kasubi opposite Light the World Nursery and Primary School oba bakubire ku simu zino wammanga noti 7 noti 4 7 noti 5 83 oba noti 7 7 3 7 8 33 49.